Okay. So good morning, guys and online students. I'm audible. Online students. I'm audible. Okay. Right. So, guys, here observe. Yesterday, uh, okay. Now, what we said here, we started the installation mechanism and how to download. Okay. So the downloading process as well as installation process we discussed in the last class. Okay. Now, so the next one is what now? How to install Oracle 19C Enterprise Edition. Okay, right. So these are the two tasks and the two things we performed in the last class, and we completed these two things, downloading as well as installation. And now you can see all of you clear? Huh? So clear, your works is completed. Having any works? Completed your works? Listen, yaar. Properly not listening. Again asking doubts. So properly listen. Once listen, your doubts will not come. Without listening, definitely subject kuch nahi understand hoga. Yes or no? Listen, 1 hour class, listen properly. Again have a doubt, come and discuss. See, one thing. I will be finished your batch as per schedule. Whatever I said, 60 sessions with all topics in-depthly without missing anything. Okay, na? But when it is possible means when you supported me. Okay, and coming classes, you're chit-chatting, and every day I want to say, don't chit-chat. Huh? So time waste. We are a professionals, not a childhood, not a children's. Okay, professionals, come and sit exactly when I started. Stop your activities, focus on subject, have a doubt, come, ask, clear. That have to do. You both, you don't want to discuss. Huh? If you both want to discuss, nothing will be happen. Discuss with me. It's something is happen. Okay, na? So if you do properly like this, I will finish your past 60 sessions and you can happily leave and try your jobs, whatever your target. Okay, na? Right. So every day I'm not telling guys, okay, time waste for myself and your time. And your time waste means your 60 sessions will be increases. So that is not my problem, yours problem. Okay, na? Right. Let you see. So yesterday, the two things we discussed, how to downloading as well as how to install your software. Okay, fine. But after installation, okay, so how we need to connect it to my Oracle, and after connectivity level, what kind of the user credentials we need to use and how to connect. After connecting, how we can go to do our works and operations. Okay, na? So the next most important thing is, okay, so how to connect. So how to connect Oracle database server. How to connect Oracle database server. And here we said, so you just go to, simply we can say, go to your all programs. Okay. And in this all programs, you have one icon will be showing us, and that was we can say, so like go to go to so Oracle 19C Oracle 19C underscore home. folder. And in this, you just go to click on SQL plus icon here. And after click on this SQL plus icon, it will be ask you. So what it will ask you? Enter username. And what is my default user here? System. So system is called as what now? Default user. And enter password. So what is my password I was given there? Yes, at the time of installation, whatever the password you given, the password, give it. So this is the first thing guys here. So when you want to connect your, what we can say, Oracle database. Okay. So after connected, so these are what now? System. It means database administrator. So is a default user, and initially first time whenever you want to interacting and connecting to Oracle, first time you should go and take this, okay, username and password at the first attempt. So after connecting to Oracle by system user, later by the help of this database administrator, he will create some new users. That means ourselves, we need to create our own user name and password. But this username and password, especially in real time, who will created a username, a user password means administrators are created. For example, you are a database programmer. You selected in a company as a database programmer. So database programmer, developer, what is your role? You want to work on database, like create tables, okay, altering tables, insert, update, delete operations, data retrieval, yes or no? We can apply validations on table structure. Okay. So there are some kind of the queries programs we are writing as a developer. But before you want to do this all kind of operations on your Oracle, okay, it's not like that I can directly perform. So I wanted some user credentials, and these user credentials are created by database administrators. Okay. And in your company, so who are working as a database admin, okay, those people have a rights and privileges. Okay, they can create your username and passwords, and those are created, and that credentials they're giving to employees. Okay, and those employees, when they want to work on Oracle, so that user ID password they're using to connecting purpose. Okay, now, so this is actually the process it is going on, okay, or it was going to in real-time industries. So here also, when we want to connect to our Oracle, first default user, which was given by Oracle Corporation people along with your software, and that was system. And this system is called a database admin. Okay, so that means a user want to take any permission or any privilege or any rights. Okay, so that can be given by who? System user will be give it, and he is the authorization person. He is the authorization person. He will give authentication and authorization permissions to the users. And of course, I said to you, Oracle is not only storing, along with storing of data, processing of data, sharing of data, yes or no, it was going to be provide what now? Security. And the security, how it was, who will give security, how it will give it security means, this is the person, he will give security to your data. Okay, so once you want to create a table, you can't create a table, you need a permissions. If you want to insert data, you need a permissions. You want to update data, you need a permissions. So like this, step by step, security mechanisms are followed by every RDBMS databases. And in that, one of the RDBMS is what now? Oracle. Okay, now, so that kind of security is very highly, it was there in your databases, and that's the reason why the industries organizations are using your databases. Okay, let me see. So he is the first person, so I need to connect to my Oracle. After connecting with this user, okay, with this administrator, now I want to create myself my own users. So how to create a new users in Oracle? database. Okay, let me see. So this is first step you need to do once successfully installed your software, and you have to do this one. So now this is your icon, guys. Here this icon will be getting like this. Okay, when you come out and see, this is your SQL Plus icon. So this is called as my client tool, and this icon will be get after installation. And one more thing, yesterday some students are asking, sir, SQL Plus we need to install separately. No, when you're installing your Oracle software, automatically this tool will be come to you. Okay, na? And again, any special installations are not necessary here. Okay, right. And after getting this, okay, you just click on that. What it was happen, you can see. When I was click on here, okay, it was showing now. Okay, this is my Oracle. And now, can you see immediately it was asking enter username. So it means that without the user credentials are nothing but user ID and password. So without these credentials, we can't go to connect our Oracle. Okay, right. And it was asking to me, enter username. So what is my username, guys, here? System. So is a default, and first attempt you have to use this. Okay, right. And now after that, I just entered. It was asking what now? Password. And what is our password? Tiger. So now I want to enter the password Tiger. I entered Tiger. But your problem is what now? When you want to enter your password, whatever you typed here, that password will not reflected to us. Okay, by this reason, security levels. It doesn't reflecting to us, but you should correctly, you need to type your spelling. Okay, and whatever you was given. And now entered. After enter, yes, I was connected successfully, and the connectivity is like this. Surendra, admin, huh? Hmm? Hmm. Okay, na? Right. So now here we connected here. So successfully we entered system and the password and successfully login time. So when you log in here, as per your system, the Wednesday, May 25th, but as per my system time, I think so. Okay. Okay, last login, not present. It was what now? Last successful login time. So this is what I did in my previous classes. Okay, na? Right. So now here, now this is present connectivity now. So now is successfully connected here, the Oracle database 19C Enterprise Edition. Okay. After successfully connected, so this is one case you can successfully connect here. And the second case, guys, here, suppose I just close this. And now again, I just go to open. Suppose you want to view your password. Is it, that means I want to see my password, whether I'm entered correct or not. At this moment, even though you can go for like this, system, and give it your slash, and you can enter your password. What is your password? Tiger. So whenever you want to view your password, you can type like this. Okay, na? So you can type like this. That means username and password in one line should be given. At this moment, you can see your password, spelling or characters, whatever you typed here. Okay. And now I was entered. Again, it was. And now we can see, guys, here, the last successful login time. What is that? Just now. Yes or no? Thursday, May 26, 22, 9:32 and 1 minute. Okay, now? So this is what we called as. So now the two ways you can go to connect like this. So whenever you connected with a system user successfully without having any problem, then nothing worry. You can work your works. Whatever you want to do, you can do. But sometimes what it was happen, when I try to connecting with system user, some kind of problems will be faced. That which kind of problems? Let me see. I'm just go to exit this. Okay, application is exit here, and I will go to Your services, I'm going to where it is services. In services, okay, I will go my Oracle services. Can you see here the Oracle services and ORCL? This is what you know. Yes, our global database name, and even though it is called as a SID. SID name is what now? ORCL. Suppose you forgot it, your SID, what was given at the time of installation. If you forgot it, that global database name or SID, then you can see like this. Okay, so how I can see means I should come to where it is, where I want to come, services. I come to services, and after services, there are so many services are having in your system, which you running mode. So in that Oracle, okay, Oracle, and your Oracle related, so many are there, like Oracle job schedulers, Oracle OraDB. So these are all are there, but you are very important what now? This is our server. This is our Oracle server. And along with Oracle services, whatever the global database name are you given at the time of installation, so that global database name will be showing here. And this global database name, even though we called as a SID, system identifier. Okay, now, right. So now this system identifier, the global database name, otherwise Oracle services, it was which mode present, guys? It's which mode? Running mode. It means that my services is activated mode. Okay, my Oracle server is in activated mode. It was working. It was working. Suppose sometimes what it was happened. Now I just go to open this. I just go to open this. Present my startup type is automatic here, because your manual system also there. But don't use manual. If you use manual, what it was happen, manually for every time you just come to services and activate your server. So that was a little bit difficult to us, because every time when I want to connecting to my Oracle, first I come to services and activate mode. If I want to make it a activate mode, and then go to login. So this is every time is not possible as a user. Yes or no? That's why what the people selected here, automatic. That means when you open your operating system, that means your computer will be open, then automatically these all services automatically activated. So then user no need to come services to activate your server. Directly go to open your database and enter your username and password. It will be connected. Okay, so that is atomic advantage. And now can you see the service status, what it was there here? Running mode. That means already running. But this services, for example, I want to go for what? Stopping here. I'm going to stop this services now. I stop it. Okay, right. So what it was happen, you can see the service status, what it was now? Stopped. Okay, I just click on okay. And when you come back to here, Oracle service ORCL is not in running mode. It was a disable mode. Okay, fine. So when you go like this and close this one, I'm just closing this one. Okay, and after closing, just come to your SQL Plus, and you feel like this, your installation successfully done, nothing problem. But when you come back to enter, so now I want to enter here system, and my password is Tiger, and let me see what it was happened. Yes, and it was getting what now? TNS protocol error. So this is the problem. Most of the students are getting this problem. Okay, what is the problem? TNS protocol adapter error. So when you get it this problem, it means that your installation properly done, but the problem is what now? Your services are not activated. So your Oracle server is not activated. So when your Oracle server is not activated, this kind of message you will get at the time of login, at the time of connectivity. Understand now? Right. So when this problem you got it, then what we want to do, sir, means that I have to go, okay, I have to go your same, come back here. The services you can go to here, go to your services. Again, I want to type here. Okay. Again, I just open my services and go to services, come back to where it is, Oracle. And Oracle, okay, server or service ORCL, you just come back here. And after come to here, just click on this service. Okay, just I'm click on. When you click on here, one window will be open here. And what it was status, stop. And you just go and check whether your server is activated or not. So now it will be stopped. After stop, then you have to do what? Start. Let me see. I'm going to start now. Okay, right. So after did here, then your status will be running and you just go to click on OK. And now you can come out and see Oracle Services ORCL is what type now? Running mode. And what I'm choose here? Automatic. Okay, fine. And I just close this and again, so come back here and close this one and open again. So now you just come back and see it here. And now enter your username. What is that? System. And the password is Tiger. And let me see, now it was connected. This is the first problem, the most oftenly we are going to be getting at the time of connectivity level. And this level, when you TNS protocol adapter, if you got it, you can go to service and check your services are activate or not. Activate means running or not. So this is one case at the time of login problem. Understand now? Right. And the second problem also we are getting. One more problem also we are facing when we are going to be connecting to Oracle. What is the second problem? Let me see. In the second problem, okay, I will show you now. Okay, right. And one more problem you will be faced. What is that problem? You can see. I just open again my database now and let me connecting here. So what is my username, system, and password is what now? Tiger. So in this case, what it was happening, you can see I was given like this. And here, one more error we faced. What is that? Account is locked. So this is second problem at the time of login most oftenly we are facing. So when you got it, this account is locked. It means what, sir? Okay, here it means that your services are activate position. That means your Oracle server is running mode only. Let me come out and see your services, whether it is running mode or not. Okay, it is running mode or not. Let me come out and see. So I just come back here and check my Oracle services, and what it was showing my services guys here, Oracle services ORCL is which mode here? Running mode. So that means here the problem is not there. Okay, yeah, there is no problem to me. And where is my problem? When the lock, that means your account is locked, then how this problem I can solve it here? The solution for this problem, let me come. So whatever the account is locked, whatever the problem we got it here. So this problem to overcome purpose, we have to do one thing. So that is what I will go to check. So again, you have to open this, okay, and come back here. So whenever the system account is locked, okay, so or any user, if it is a lock, not only system user, any user, if it is lock, so first of all, you should go with another database administrator. Here two administrators are there. One is system and one more is DBA. Who is this here? Sys DBA is a one more administrator. So this admin also we can use, and he is the main person, is the main boss. DBA is the main boss. After this hierarchy, system after user. Okay, these three hierarchies, remember. Main important person is what now? DBA person. After DBA person, subordinate. Who is this? System. System subordinates users. Okay, now? So first boss and manager and their employees. Like this you can see. So now I was entered this username. And what is this person password means? It's a default password, SYS. My password is what now? SYS. Okay, and now entered. So now you successfully connecting to your Oracle. And this person, this DBA person, what he was going to do, he was going to be which user account is locked, that user account will be unlocked. What he was going to do? Unlock. So first it will be lock. That lock will be unlock. So now how he was going to be unlocked? So here one command is there. Alter user. Which user? System user. Username is what? System. And what I want to do? Account. System user account already lock. And that lock, what I want to do? Unlock. What I want to do? Unlock. And to execute now. User successfully altered. After altered, now let me come out and connect with your, who is this here? System. And let me see system. And my password is what now? Tiger. To execute now. Now he was connected. Clear all of you? Are you clear now? There's two solutions, remember, at the time of connectivity process. First one, TNS protocol adapter. What is the solution of TNS protocol? Go to services and check your services are activate or not. If it is not activate, immediately activate. And second problem is what now? Account lock. When it was account lock, then connecting with the system, DBA person user, and connecting to that, and later you can write a small query, that is what? Alter user, username, and account unlock. Okay, so these are the two cases only there when we are going to be connecting to Oracle database. Are you clear now? Right. So now this complete notes, okay, we already have it here in the material. I will send you the complete notes. Don't worry. Okay, now? Right. Okay, guys. And now let me come out. So after what I said, yeah, successfully we connecting with the system and Tiger with this. Okay. Or else one more user is there now. So you can use this one also. I'm writing now. So or else. So just your running notes, remembering purpose. Okay. What is the username? sysdba. So this person also you can take. He is also administrator. So and default administrator he is and default password. What is the password? SYS. So these are the two people. You can check it out. Okay. Right. He is also default. And this is your very important point is what now? Username default and password is also default. Okay, but your password is not a default, user created. Here user created. When it was created, guys? At the time of installation. Okay, na? Right. Let me come. So now here, now I'm using, mostly I'm using system. If anything is happening with system, then I will go system DBA. But mostly we are using what now? System only. Okay, fine. So now with this help of this, we successfully connected. That was fine. And later what we want to do. Let me come. Let me come to your database and go for your database and connect here, guys. So I'm going to connecting now. So system and Tiger. Okay. So now successfully we connected. After connected, what I want to do for our batch purpose, I'm creating one user. Okay. For our batch purpose, I'm creating one username and password and entire the class. That means complete your course. Whatever I'm going to doing and whatever I'm going to teaching, what we are going to be performing here, that everything performing under our user credentials. Okay. So system I'm not using. System is the administrator. So now we want to create our own user and password, and that user password we are using this entire the classes. Okay now, right? So but how we want to create a new user in Oracle database? Okay, let me come back. So the syntax first I'm writing here. So below, write down how to create a new user in Oracle database. Okay now, here syntax. Syntax is nothing but formula. Okay, in database terminology, so we are calling as a syntax, but syntax is nothing but formulas. Okay, remember, these are all our predefined queries, predefined formulas. I'm not creating anything here. Okay now, already IBM people was inbuilt, there was given some queries, and those queries we are using. And how to create my user? So create user, and I want to send my username. Okay, so identified by what is this password? Okay, password and semicolon. Compulsory semicolon should be used, guys. Without semicolon, your query will not be executed here. Okay, compulsory semicolon should be used. Okay, right. This is the syntax and formula how to create new users in our Oracle database. Fine. And let me come out. Now I will created one new user. So first, before you want to create a new user, first with whom I want to connect my Oracle? First with the system. Then only you can possible to create, because only administrators are having that privileges to create a users. Myself, I can't directly create. Understand now? So that's the first you should go to system. And he was writing. So when I was logging to my Oracle with the system means now my role is what now? What is my role? Now I am system. Now I am system. Yes or no? Because I'm connecting with which name? System name. So my role is what now? System. But means that means what? I'm a DBA person now. Now I'm DBA. That means I'm a database administration role is playing now. Which role is playing now? Admin role is playing now. So, and my name is what? System. Understand the clarity? Now you can see. So I'm the administrator and my name is system, and now I'm creating user. So how I want to create? So I'm writing capitals, and you can write small also, but visibility purpose I'm using capitals. Okay, now last people. Is it clear now? But don't ask me, sir, why are you using capital? Okay, you can write capital and small also. The nothing problem. SQL languages are not a case sensitive. First point. Okay, now? Right. So, but your visibility, last people visibility purpose I'm writing. Create what? User. And I will create my username, mydb9am. Our batch timing is what now? 9 a.m. batch. So on that name, on that address, I'm creating one user. So MyDB 9 a.m. Okay. And what I said? Identified. Okay. So identified by what next? Password. Suppose my password I was given ABC. What's the password? ABC. Okay, sir. Let me see to execute now. User successfully created. Okay, now? So your user is created. But this user created okay. Username, password created by administrator. And this user credentials I'm giving to whom? A particular user in my company. And you all people are MyDB 9 a.m. students. That means you can use this MyDB 9 a.m. username and password when you want to log in. Okay, now, but what happened? You can see. Okay, sir, I know my username and password. Then immediately I'm using connector. So I'm connecting now. So connect, and it was asking enter username. What is my username? MyDB 9 a.m. / what is that? ABC password. ABC password. But carefully observe, it's very important. Now I was entered the username and password which was given by administrator, and the same user credentials I'm using now. And what happening here? See, what happening here? It was showing error and say what? MyDB 9 a.m. user lacks create session privileges, log on denied. Okay, now it means what, sir? It means that this MyDB 9 a.m. user is not having the permission of connectivity. Which which permission is not there? Connectivity permissions are not there. Because yes, administrator just created username and password, but he was given any rights to this user? No, he was not giving any permissions to this user. That's why whenever administrator is created a new user, every new user is called as a dummy user. Every new user is called as what now? Dummy user. Dummy means he can't do anything. Understand now? He can't do anything, even though he can't connecting to Oracle also. Okay, so that kind of person is called a dummy person. Dummy is nothing but there is no permissions for that user, which is called as a dummy user. So now, okay, sir. So this is what it was happened, user creation. So write down below. So this is example to me. Okay. So now here the note point. So what is my note point here? Simply I'm writing, okay, shortcutly I'm writing. Every new user in Oracle database is what now? Dummy user. So dummy user means, okay, so there is no permissions. There is no permissions. Okay. There is no permissions. Okay. There is no permissions. Okay. So now what we want to do now? So now this dummy user who was there here, I need to give some permissions. Okay. So that, okay, we means what now? So that database administrator want to give, okay, some permissions or privileges. So what does it mean by privileges? Privileges means permissions, accessing permissions. Okay, some privileges we want to give. That means database administrator want to give some privileges to which user? To dummy user. Who is my dummy user? MyDB 9 a.m. To MyDB 9 a.m. user. Okay, 9 a.m. user by using okay, which command means? Yeah. Here one of the command is there. The command is called as what now? Grant command. by using grant command. Okay, right. So now how you want to give it? So there is a syntax for this to giving permission here. Which command here? Grant. And I want to say here the privilege name, okay, to user. Okay, now. So by using of this syntax, you can give any privileges to your particular user. Okay, so grant is one of the command in DCL. So that is what it is. In coming classes, we can see. Okay, grant and privileges. There is not so many privileges are there. So many privileges are there. But in that, one of the privileges and few privileges I'm showing for our requirement basis. Okay, and after to whom you want to give, to whom you want to granting particular privilege. Okay, so that person name should be give it here. Understand now? Right. And now let me come out and see. Yes. Now what happened here? The MyDB 9 AM user, he was trying to log in into or connecting to Oracle, but it was showing that no permissions. Create session privileges are not there. It means that login permissions are not there. So now who will give it this login permissions again? System user. So that means again I need to connecting with the which user? System administrator, and password is Tiger. Now he was connected again, and now the formula. What is the formula? Grant privilege name to user. Okay. So now I'm going to writing grant which privilege? I'm giving the privilege is what? Connectivity privilege. To whom? To whom? MyDB 9 AM user. Understand now? MyDB 9 AM user, and to check it out. So what it was happened? Grant succeeded. That means connectivity permissions are given by database administrator to MyDB 9 AM user. That was granted. Yes or no? Granted means issued. Permissions are issued. Okay, fine. And after taking the permission, let me see this user is connected or not. Okay. So MyDB 9 AM. And what is my password? ABC and 2 entered. Yes. Now he was successfully connected. And see, he was successfully connected or not? Yes or no? Yes, successfully connected. This is the way you have to give it your permissions to the particular user. So below I'm writing now. So write down below after syntax. First database admin through connect and give granting permission, and later connect with the user. And finally, your user also successfully connected. Here con is nothing but command, connectivity command. Okay, na? Con. So con means connectivity command. Okay, right. So this is user creation and giving connectivity permission, and finally user successfully connected. And after that, here this user, suppose he want to change his password. Understand now? He want to change his password. So let me see how to change. Exciting. How to change password, okay, of user. How to change password of a particular user. Okay, let me come. So first of all, observe. Now come out and see. So now he was successfully connected. Okay, that's fine. There is nothing problem to me. He was connected. But what he was feel, I want to change my password here. So then he was writing, okay, some command here. The command name is called as a password. When you enter the command is password, then what it was asking, changing password for which user? MyDB 9am user. And first it was asking to me what it is here. Old password is asking. What is my old password? ABC. ABC capital or small? Capital. So I want to enter capital A, B, C. I entered. After ABC entered, it was asking new password to me. Okay. Now I wanted password 1, 2, 3. Entered. And retype your new password. That means confirmation. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3. And now entered. What's happened? Password change. After changing this password, if user try to connecting, okay, MyDB 9am / ABC, for example. But ABC is my old password. That ABC already I changed as 1, 2, 3. But let you try, when you try to log in or try to connecting to your Oracle database with the old password, what it was happening, you can see now. What it was say? Invalid username or password. Understand now? It means that my ABC password is expired. It was changed. So I can't connect. It was showing invalid username or password. And then what is now my password? MyDB 9am / 1, 2, 3. I just connected. So that means your password successfully changed. Yes, right down below. So write down. And here I will give it here my ABC, sorry, new password now 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3, password successfully changed. Okay. After I try with ABC, but it was showing some error. So that error is invalid. Okay, username and password. And after that, I was changed and connected. Okay, now this process will take it, guys. Okay, now are you clear? Yes. So now this is now this is password changing mechanism. For sometimes you people are asking, sir, if I forgot it my password, what I want to do, sir, and how to recreate my password for the user. So we know username, but we forgot it passwords. Okay, now now in that case, how to create your password? Write down below. How to create, how to recreate a password for user if we forgot. If we forgot. If you forgot it. Okay, right. So if you forgot it, your password, then how to recreate a password for user if you forgot it? Then this is command is observed. The first of all, let me come out and see your Oracle. Again, who forgot it? User forgot it. User forgot it means, so this password again created by who? Administrators. So that means we are sending requests to admin. Okay, we are not create ourselves. So we want to go for send a request to whom? Admin. Sir, I forgot it my password. So please give me permissions to recreate. Okay, so in that permission, okay, now your administrator will go to take that permission system and Tiger, okay, connected. And now this administrator, what do you want to do? Now he will be created one new password to that particular person who got or who forgot it. Okay, and how, sir? Means here the command is don't write. First observe. Alter user. Which user? MyDB 9 AM user. MyDB 9 AM user. And what I said, identified by a new password I'm giving. So MyDB 9 AM. So what is my new password? MyDB 9. So that means your username password, I'm taking same because my easiness purpose. Okay, we don't forget it in the future. Okay. So alter user username identified by new password MyDB 9 AM. User alter. After user alter, let me come back here. Now your user MyDB 9 AM. Okay. So MyDB 9 AM /123. Actually, I forgot it, but it is working or not working, I'm showing. Understand now? Actually, 123 is forgot it. But here we will see practically, is it connecting or not? If it is connecting means my password is not changed. Yes or no? So that purpose I'm showing. Okay. Let me see what happened. Yes. 123 is not working because already your administrator is created new password. What is that? MyDB 9 AM. So that means now this user want to connect it to Oracle with username MyDB 9 AM. What is password? MyDB 9 AM. Yes. So now he was connected. Connect with what now? MyDB 9 AM / MyDB 9 AM. Yes. Now he was connected. Okay, now this is once you forgot it, then what do you want to do? Again, go to system through connect and write some query and change and recreate, not change, recreate. Let me write now. And first of all, I'm giving that syntax you can write. So syntax is what now? Alter username identified by, okay, here I'm saying new password. Right. Okay, right. So now can you tell me what is your final username and password, guys? MyDB 9 AM, MyDB 9 AM. So this username password we are using for our entire the course completion. Okay, now so every day when I'm going to do some operations, okay, on your Oracle database, so my username is MyDB 9 AM and 9 AM password. Okay, with this user credentials, my entire classes will be going on. Clear? Huh? So now how you know now how to create your own users? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Then after somebody is asking, sir, how can I see user names? That means how many number of users are there in my Oracle? All users I want to see it. How we can? Write down below. So how to view all users in Oracle database server? So what is the syntax for me? Okay, so now the syntax is, okay, select, okay, user name from all underscore users. This is here all underscore users are called as a table name, username is called as a column name, select is a command, from is a clause. Okay, now right. So now don't worry, these all queries I will explain to you, but initially this information I'm passing to you, that's it. Okay, now so but each and every command we are working, that is next session. Okay, right. Now we can see, so this is what we call the syntax here. Okay, and now observe. So I just come out here to view now, so I can see with my, okay, system, and what is that? Tiger. So now I want to write my query, select what I want to see, username from which table? All underscore users. And let me see, so many users are there. Let me see. Yes, these are so many users are there. Can you find out here? Okay, so these are the usernames. Sys, SYS, AUD, odd, sys, system. Can you see system? Yes. So these are default. These are all are what now? Predefined on default. So sys backup, sys DZ, like so many are there here. Sys, okay. Now we can see the so many people are there here. Okay. And now let me come out. This all one by one. If you see guys here, these are all our users. Can you see all our usernames? And you're showing your username, right? Yes, all are this user. And here, along with predefined users, we are also created our own user. So up to here HR, this is called, these are all are above predefined. Automatically along with your software, these all users will come to you. Understand now? These are already inbuilt users, and we are created with the help of system administrator. We created, what is we created? U1 is our creation, MyDB 9 AM. Just now we created, yes or no? MyDB 9 AM is our username now. Yes, so MyDB 9 AM, and one more batch is there, MyDB 11 AM and U2. So these are system, under system administrator we created in our requirement purpose. Okay, now so like this, if you want to see it, how many users are there in Oracle server, okay, you can see like this by using of select username from all underscore users. Okay, now that all we can go to take it out here. Okay, right. So this is a syntax of your, the total how many users as of now in my Oracle server? 41 users are there in my Oracle server. How many users? 41 users are, we have it here. Okay, now right. But suppose guys you are saying that, sir, I want to drop my user. Can I drop? Can I drop my user? Yes, we can. How we can drop means, here one syntax was there, that is called a drop. Don't write, observe. Drop user, username is what? MyDB 9 AM, and I'm using here cascade. Cascade is called as a one predefined statement, and that should be used whenever you want to drop users. And let me see to executing now. I'm going to execute it here. So user successfully drop, and this user dropping or not, Again, you have any doubt, then you have to call. What is that? Select username from all underscore, what is that? Users, and see that. And now we can come back in the last way. So now how many are there? 40. And tell me, my DB 9am user is there or not there? Not there. So the users we successfully deleted, dropped. Okay. So this is the how we can see your users and how to create users, how to give permissions to the users, how to change password, how to recreate password once you forgot it, and later how to view my users and how to drop my users. So these are the basic fundamental class. There should be no everyone. Okay, how I want to create user, how to give permissions to the user, how to password user password, and how to recreate a user password if you forgot it, and how I can see how many users are there in my Oracle, and how to drop my users. Clear now? Come on, clear or not? Yes. So this is what we have to introduction of Oracle. Only introduction we discuss. Are you clear now? This is completely which is belongs to or related to Oracle. And can you remember I was given the topics here? First topic DBMS we covered. And what is next we discuss? Oracle tool. Just a reminder what we discuss. What is Oracle? Oracle purpose is what now? What is the purpose of Oracle? Storage information along with the security. Oracle is a platform independent or dependent? Independent. So Oracle software can be installed into any operating system, whatever you want it. Okay. Later we discuss about the versions. Oracle, how many versions are there? From the 1979 to latest. So latest means 21C, but we are learning up to 19C. And each version, what kind of features are there? So that all features one by one we discuss. After that, Oracle, how to work with Oracle. Before you want to work with Oracle, first we need to download and install. So how to download, I show you. How to install, I show you. And after installation successfully done, later what it was happened? Internally, there are two subcomponents are executed or created. What is that? Client component and server component. What is client component? Client component we are using for connecting purpose, sending request purpose, getting response purpose. And what kind of client tools are there? SQL Plus, Thoda, SQL Developer, PL SQL developers. And this is client tool. Come to server component. Again, server component is having how many subcomponents? Two, instance and database. Instance purpose is what? Temporary storage. Database purpose is what? Permanent storage. When we insert a data into Oracle, first where it will go? Instance or database? Instance. Instance is nothing but, can I say RAM? Yes. Database, can I say hard disk? Yes. So instance memory data, if I want to transfer into database permanently, what we want to use? Commit command. Which command? Commit command. When you use commit command, so instance memory data, whatever it was there in the temporarily, the data will be moving into database. And once your data will enter into database, it is a permanent. No one can delete the data unless user has to do. It's a lifelong storage. Once data will be entered into database means it's a lifelong storage unless user has to delete. Okay, right. And after these things, then what we discuss? So installation internally, what happened we discuss. After that, how to connecting to Oracle. So connectivity process, entire the things I will show you. The initially, when you want to connect to Oracle, what is your username? System. What is your password? This password where you created? System password, where are you created? At the time of installation. Installation, whatever we created password, the password is belongs to system only. And initially, first time when you want to work on Oracle, first you have to use what now? System only. System through login. After that, what we did? There is some problems coming out. What is the problem? First problem, TNS protocol adapter problem at the time of connectivity. So this problem, when it was come, what is the solution? Go to services, go to Oracle service, ORCL, and the status, your services are running or not, check. If it is not running, then what we want to do? Activate your running mode. Yes or no? That is a solution for which purpose? TNS protocol adapter error. That is one problem solution, we got it. Second problem, when we entered username and password, but one more problem is come out. That is called what? account locked. So this problem when you face, what we want to do? Yes, we have to go one more database person. Who is that? Slash SYS as SYS DBA. And password is what? SYS. And through this person, what we want to do? We need to unlock your user account. Yes or no? What is the syntax to unlock? Alter, user, username, account, unlock. Okay. And after that, you have to go connect here. So successfully connecting here, what we did here, we need to create our users. How to create user? Create user username identified by password. And after created a user, any new user in Oracle, what we said that user is which type of user? Dummy user, because that user is not having any permissions. Yes or no? So to give permissions to that user, again, who will give it? Again, administrator. Who is that? System. The system to log in. And what you want to do? Grant privilege name to user. So which privilege? Connectivity privilege. So grant connector to MyDB 9M user. Okay, now? Right. After taking connectivity permission from the administrator by user, then user will log in. And he was successfully log in. And after login, suppose user want to change his password. What is the command? Password command. When you enter password, automatically you can change your password here. Okay, now that is one thing. Suppose user forgot its password. What do you want to do? Recreate your password. Who will create it? Again, administrator. Who is the admin? System. So again, system to login. And after login, which command we are writing? Alter user username identified by new password. Okay, and that password you can use it again. If I want to see all users in my Oracle database, what is that? Select a star from, select username from all underscore users. If you want to drop a user, what is the command? Drop user username cascade. This is introduction related to Oracle tool. I'm saying what about Oracle tool? Clear now? After understanding about Oracle tool, what is what, how to connect, how to create users, how to change your password. This is all knowledge. If you have it, then you started what? SQL language. So from this onwards, from this SQL part, topic number 3, from this onwards, you will be going to start your queries. Like what is DDL queries, DML, DQL, DCL, DCL, and joins queries, subqueries, partitions, indexes, clusters. Okay, now there are so many stored procedures, stored functions, triggers, packages, exception handling, cursors. Okay, now data pumping tools. Okay, UTL packages, normalization concepts. This all are comes under in this remaining parts. Okay, now so let me start tomorrow. What is our language? SQL is our first language. We are starting tomorrow to communicating with our Oracle database. And tomorrow we will discuss what is SQL. SQL is a case sensitive or not a case sensitive. What kind of commands are there in that? How those commands we want to use, how to work, what is syntaxes, formulas. These are all the things we will be discuss. So that means finally, you wanted 2 notes. One is running notes about DBMS and main notes. Okay, running notes and main notes. And second one, running notes on Oracle tool and also main notes. That means total how many copies? 4. In this 4, 2 running notes, 2 main materials. These 4 I will share you. Next, your software link and software installation video also. And along with this, the last 10 days recording videos also I am uploading into Google Class. But these are all the things we want to do. It means first we wanted a Google Classroom. So do one thing, guys. My suggestion is what now? You're asking to me, but you can ask to management people. Force on them. You have to force on them. Otherwise, sunega nahi yaar. Force on them. Sir, Google Classroom. Sir, Google Classroom. Sir, Google. Torture, do it. Yes or no? When you do torture, na, immediately they will give to you. Otherwise, na, you will not get your materials or whatever it is. Classes are going on, but you are not getting materials. Torture them, and I will give number to whom you want to torture. Write down number. Write down number. Online students also. His name is Surendra. Okay. His contact number is 9391 9391 982 189. Okay. Surendra. Surendra. Mm. Okay, now? Mm. Is your admin? So now all of you online students also who are asking admin, na? Is your admin? Now start. Revolution, start now. So how many 10 days emotions, fire, all you can show on them. When you will give it a Google Classroom. When you will give it a Google Classroom. We want material. Yes or no? So call him and ask him. If he's not lifting call, message. WhatsApp full and WhatsApp will be bomb blast. You do like this. Okay, his WhatsApp will be bomb blast. And later he said, I don't want it WhatsApp. So you do like this, then only you will get your facilities. Otherwise, you never. अरे मैंने honest बता रहा हूँ यार, सोचो, so सोचो and करो जो करना है आपको, right guys, okay, thank you so much, and we will meet tomorrow, okay, right guys, thank you so much.
Can you give it to me?
I will. Okay, tomorrow bring me. Because I will, today I'm taking that software myself, and tomorrow I will give that.
Sir, if you create new user account, at this time we will give capital letter password. And login time we will give
Not actually. Because password is a case sensitive.
password is a cache.
Password only case sensitive, but username you can give any name.
Sir, second out why we have to create another user account, sir, because we have another user account, the system tiger. We have to
That
create
is main person. That means that user, if you want to do your practice in that user, you can do it. There's nothing problem because he's a default user. But what we are going to do, we are learning because system user having already all permissions.
Yes, sir.
So whatever you can do, it will be accepted. In that cases, what do you think about? Are you Oracle security nahi hai? Are you thinking like that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that's why remove that system user. We need to create our own user. And own user के साथ आप try करो क्या क्या problems आएगा. Then you can learn the subject.
Sir, एक और user तो default user है ना, system DBA.
हाँ, वो भी use कर सकते. But वो भी same है ना, उसके भी having all permissions. You can create, insert, update, देखेगा, delete करेगा, जो भी करना है करेगा उन दोनों. Because इन दोनों DBA persons. ऐसे जो भी करेगा तो आपको क्या सोचते हैं? अरे सार बोला security, but यहाँ पर security नहीं हो रहा है. आप सोचेंगे ऐसे जस्ट मैंने डिलीटेड डेटा डिलीटेड एंड यू आर सेइंग दैट सार बोला कि डिलीट करने के लिए परमिशन चाहिए बट यहाँ पर डिलीट हो रहा है मेरे को तो ये क्या बात है yes sir you will get that kind of confusion so that is the reason system sysdba these are just for administrators when user wanted any permissions we are taking from them आपको क्लास वाइज आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ओके ना Okay. Online students having any doubts? Send your doubts, guys. Online students. Online students. Okay, right. Online students having any question, you can send your questions in chat box. If there is no doubts, log out. No, Slavish, predefined users, we are not going to be, okay, drop. Only our creations users. Okay, online students. Having queries, you can send your queries, otherwise log out. So Dhanunjay, you entered correct username password. Maybe you entered correct username and password, but you check your case sensitive. Are you entered drop? Okay, are you entered? Okay, capital letters or small case letters? You can check out. Slavish, you are dropping HR, okay, but predefined users when you're dropping here, that user related things, whatever it was there in Oracle, that all are you are missing. That means later your connectivity problems are created. Slavish. So that's why predefined users don't drop in any case. Understand? Na? If you drop, it is drop. But the related things, whatever it was there, that facilities you can't use it. And later your Oracle will not work properly. Okay, na? Right. Yes, Srikanth, you can install. So both are same, Anup. Both are same. There is no different. Both are database administrators. Okay, na? DBA and system. Both are same. So once Dhanunjay, what I'm saying here, your username and password, especially password can check. Is it a capital you entered, small case you entered? Check it out because password is a case sensitive. Okay, Dhanunjay. So first to check out your password, what you entered, capital entered or small entered. Then without installation, how can you go here? Huh? First install your software, then you can do that was okay. Okay, Syed. So maybe your installation is not properly done, and that is one thing. And the second one is what now? You are not, maybe your cloud registrations are not successfully used. That means installed. So to overcome that problem, you have to write like this. So Syed, you can use this one. Okay, C ash ash. Syed, Ali, use C ash ash before your username because C is representing cloud computings. Okay, now? Right. The cloud registrations are not properly done, then that kind of problem you will get it. Dhanunjay, first you have to install your software. Okay, now? After installation, check. Okay. Right, guys? Okay. So many privileges are there, Anup. In coming classes, you can discuss what kind of privileges are there, what are there. Okay, right. Okay, guys, I stop it here and we'll continue tomorrow. And tomorrow I will interact with you, the remaining people. Okay, now? Right, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.